didn't know much about trading when I started. The Traders International has made it very easy to learn and understand how to trade and become successful at it. I've made $500 or $600 a day, and that's plenty for me to make a good living. In the future, as time goes on, maybe I'll make more. You know, maybe that'll be my goal, to make more. Traders International has definitely affected my life. It's given me an opportunity for more freedom. It gives me the opportunity to be my own boss, to get up and work with my own hours. I couldn't be more excited about the opportunities that it's given me. The money I can make is, in my view, pretty much endless. It's just me learning everything that I need to learn, following, being disciplined, and I love everything about it. I do. I couldn't be more excited. Well, for anybody that's thinking about joining Traders International, you know, just follow your heart. That's kind of what it came down to for me. I just, you know, woke up one day and said, you know, I need something different. I need a new challenge. I need a new experience, and I was excited that this was here for me. You know, it was kind of a blessing in disguise, and it has turned out to be that way. It has turned out to be a blessing for me because it kind of got me away from everything that I didn't like about corporate America, the rat race that I felt like I was in at that time. It just felt like that weight was lifted off of my shoulders, and now I can just be the person that I want to be and do what I want to do, which is trade, which is be my own boss.
I would say in the last year and a half, year and 9 months, Traders International literally has changed my life. My lifestyle now, thanks to them, is just what I've really been looking for. You know, I trade at, some mornings I get up at 5:30 and trade, you know, the pre-market. Most mornings I get up at the half hour before the cash market. I trade from 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. and after that, the day belongs to me. I'm a consultant, so I do some other work in the afternoons, but since I've started with this, I've been putting more of my efforts in Traders International than what used to be my real job, which is now phasing out into my Traders International job. And I don't even look at it as a job anymore. To me, it's something I'm passionate about and I'm excited about on a daily basis. In one day, I made $2,000 and found the potential to be unlimited. My daily goals are anywhere in my trading plan right now at 3 contracts is $250 to $500 a day. I meet those goals 3 to 4 days a week. I know that there's going to be other days, but my trading plan supports what I'm doing, and it has been consistent. When I first discovered Traders International and signed up, I didn't know anything really about making trades, setting up the software. It was very scary. And the people at Traders International really helped me get started. They literally held my hand through the whole process, from loading the trading dome to learning how to use it, to learning how to make my first live trade, which was quite an experience. But it was painless, completely painless. I'm still impressed with, when I call them up, somebody answers the phone, always. When I email them, I get a reply. I find that the support at Traders International to be above all of the ones I've had before, as far as software and setup issues with computers. I'd highly recommend them as far as just on the support alone. I now know how to trade, and I now have the confidence to trade.
When I first started trading with Traders International, I didn't know a whole lot about setting up the trades and working the trading dome. And the e-course that they've set up is so simple to understand that I would watch and learn it for a half hour, and I could go right to my trading dome and practice what they were teaching me. And it made it so simple to learn and execute their strategies and the buys and the sells that I was really grateful. And the moderators are also amazing at answering emails, and the customer support that we have there has just been awesome. And they don't make me feel dumb because I ask simple questions. They just treat everybody like we're all brand new and we're all learning. And they're really patient and good and helpful to help us work through the learning. Every day that I go in and listen to the moderators and watch what they do, their insight and their background, I mean, if you combine the years of everybody that's trading, that's like 30 years of information that I don't have time or have the desire to spend that much time learning. But I can listen to what they're teaching me, and I can learn from what they're doing. And they're telling me to call the trades when the trades are coming up, so I can actually make money to cover what I spent, my expenses, and also to be profitable while I'm learning all of these things that they already know. And they're so good at teaching me in a simple way that's easy to understand. Because when I first started reading books and studying, day trading fascinated me, but it's so overwhelming because there's so many technical terms and things that people understand that I didn't. And Traders International really did a good job of keeping it simple and easy for me to understand while I'm learning. With the downturn of the economy, I have quite a few of my friends that were stay-at-home moms like me, and they've had to go out into the work field. And they work and they have to leave their families for 30, 40 hours a week to help their husbands provide. And I didn't want to have to do that. And this gives me the opportunity, if I need to trade at 11 o'clock at night, I can do that. Or if it works good to trade at 7 in the morning till 8:30, I can do that. If I just have an hour a day to trade, I can do that. And Traders International have taught me what I need to look for to be able to trade a short time, if that's all I have, to put into it and still be profitable and earn money. And that has been amazing to me.
I found Traders International online, and I was really interested in a disciplined approach and a complete approach to trading that had some discipline in it, that had education, that had psychological training, because anybody can trade, and it's just, but you won't be successful unless you have all these other elements to help you trade. Well, Traders International is an interactive, it's personal. You have people that help you. If you need help, you can get help. If you have specific problems, they are addressed. You're not part of a large student pool. You have personal interaction with coaches and people that will help you if you need help. I started becoming profitable within 2 days after going live. I traded in demo or sim for 1 week, and then the second day I started trading live, I became profitable. The trades are very clear. The moderator makes it clear the entrance, why we're entering at the price action that we're entering at. When there's time to analyze a currency pair before the trades are entered, we will go through the analysis, and the moderator will explain why we're putting this position on. If the trade is really happening right away, we will place the trade on, and then the moderator will explain later why we placed the trade. So you're not only just getting signals, but you're also learning why we do what we do. And there's a methodology attached to the trading decisions that go on in the room. For anybody evaluating Traders International, check it out. Call and talk to people that are trading with Traders International. There's people that have been trading with Traders International for years. It's a real program with real people, with real support, with real educational material, and a success and track record that backs it up.
I joined Traders International on a recommendation from a family member. I felt that it offered a great opportunity to fit the lifestyle that I wanted to lead and fit my particular circumstances well. Traders International has exceeded my expectations. I wasn't quite sure of how in depth I would be learning a trading system, and the moderators have given me an opportunity to do more than just follow along. In the trading room, first I was able to follow along with the traders quite well and start understanding why they made their calls, and watch the chat and see other members' commentary and camaraderie that makes trading enjoyable.
I find that the teachers are all very clear, very patient, and very caring in the way that they deal with their students. Everybody's interested in making sure that the students do well. It is the mission of the school for everybody to make money. And since that's the name of the game, I'm in the right place. Traders International has more than met my expectations. I have found their willingness to spend time with me, the moderators, on their own time, to be exceptional. Other classes I've taken, when the class is over, the day is over. And the traders here are perfectly willing to get on the phone with you, to answer emails, and even to extend their support sessions. That's a rare opportunity, and that's a rare case. And so I support the school. You have indeed, as I said, far exceeded my expectations. I would say that Traders International is different than other schools in their level of support. They are, and this goes back to the other question that I answered, they are more than willing to be with you as a new trader in every way they can to support you in your efforts to learn so that you will succeed. If you want to become a trader to augment your income, to enhance it, to make sure that there's something going for you all the time, and also to keep your mind active, to know that you've got a finger in what's happening in the world, whether the markets are going up or down, by all means, give Traders International a call. This is a way that you can keep your finger on what's going on in the world. They have wonderful mentors. Their entire support staff is there for you. They are responsive. Email them, they'll get back to you. They're on your side. By all means, take a moment out of your day and trade with Traders International.